adventures and
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are out in Howard Springs tonight with the lads. We are going to be doing our first nighttime crawl for the year. So we're out here in the pine forests at Howard Springs in Darwin. Beautiful reserve. There's a mountain bike track that goes through there. A few of the lads here just waiting on a couple more. Here's the lineup of cars so far. I've only just realised that my lights do that when it's been stationary for a while. How cool is that? You learn something new every day. There's Kyle's Beast, the 1.7. Makes my 110 scale look tiny. We got Jack's new Monster. Who knows? Jack, has this thing got a name? Rhino?
Easy, long center of gravity.
Rhino, long center of gravity. And that thing is just going to be a weapon. Tony's TRX4 with the tan body on it, which I must admit looks so much better on than off. I saw it on his table for ages and didn't think it looked better than the blue one, but on that body it looks mad. And that's his light kit. Go and watch his channel. I'll leave a link up in the corner to see the journey that he went on doing his light kit for that. And we've got a beautiful little WP Old Toys Hilux. We've got a couple more coming, a couple more of the lads coming, so we'll have a few more cars. But yeah, we'll do our first nighttime trail and see how we go.
Got my backpack tight, the sun's peeking through, a map in my hand, and I'm ready to break through. From city streets to mountain peaks, we're on the run. Every step's a story, every mile's a little fun. Chasing down the sunset where the wild winds blow. With my crew beside me, we're the stars of this show. No limits on our journey, just the dreams in our hearts. Adventures in our eyes, let's make a brand new start. Let's go, let's ride where the sky meets the sea. Every twist and turn, it's where we're meant to be. Up high on the ridges or low in the stream. Life's an open road, let's chase those dreams. Crossing valleys deep and rivers so wide, we'll dance through the night in this joy we confide. From the echoes of laughter to the whispers of trees, with each step forward we'll do as we please. Capture every moment with a heart full of faith. Adventures in the air, it's our time to create. Every trail we wander, every star we see, together we're unstoppable, just you and me. Let's go, let's ride where the sky meets the sea. Every twist and turn, it's where we're meant to be. Up high on the ridges or low in the stream. Life's an open road, let's chase those dreams. So here's to the moments we'll never forget. The memories we make, they're the best kind of debt. With each crazy detour, every leap of faith, adventure calls our name, let's make the world our place. Let's go, let's ride where the sky meets the sea. Every twist and turn, it's where we're meant to be. Up high on the ridges or low in the stream. Life's an open road, let's chase those dreams. Beneath the neon glow, where the shadows play, we dance through the chaos, chasing dreams away. Your laughter echoes down the busy streets. In this city of strangers, your heart beats my beat. Oh, the city lights shine bright, illuminating our late night flights. With every step we write our song in the heart of the city.
These are
where we
both got the same motor in them.
belong. The rooftops whisper secrets of long forgotten days. We sip our coffee slowly, lost in a fervent gaze. These subway rides with you, they make time stand still. In a world full of noise, your love's my quiet thrill.
Thank you.
Oh, the city lights shine bright, illuminating our late night flights. With every step we write our song in the heart of this city. race back to you. The city lights shine bright, illuminating our late night flights. With every step we write our song in the heart of this city, where we both belong. In the dawn where shadows fade, I hear the whispers of the open glade. With the sun painting dreams on the horizon wide, I'll chase the colors where my heart can ride. Through the fields of wildflowers I'll run untamed. With every breath a new path framed. The weight of the world is a feather's fall. In the dance of the wind I can hear a call. And oh, let the chains break, let the rivers flow. With each step forward I'll let my spirit grow. The sky is a canvas, I'm a brush in hand, painting my story across this land. With every heartbeat I can feel the light, a beacon of hope shining through the night. In the dance of freedom my soul takes flight. With the wings of tomorrow everything feels alive.
Support vehicle here.